Hi guys, it's Diane. Going to show you a really quick recipe on how to make some pickled hot pepper. This is a traditional Jamaican recipe that we usually make and keep it in our refrigerator for months, and we use it to put on escabeche fish. My kids like to put it on sandwiches. My mom, if she makes like a corned beef sandwich, she likes to put these pickled peppers in. So basically all I used was some like 3 baby carrots. I just cut them up really thin. As you can see, I took my habanero peppers because that's all I could find in my area. Usually if I'm in Jamaica, it's a Scotch bonnet pepper, which is super hot. It's way hotter than a habanero pepper. And then I sliced up some onions. And of course, my secret ingredient is this pimento seed. So I usually get these when I go home to Jamaica. You can find them pretty much in a lot of like Mexican like farmers market or the supermarkets. Some will carry them, but sometimes I find that they're not very strong as the ones I get from Jamaica. But anyway, I put it all together with like a cup of vinegar, and I'm gonna put some salt on there just to help with the preserve, and just let it stay in my refrigerator and marinate and just use it as I need it. All right, so I hope you find this recipe super useful. Again, this is my go-to whenever I'm making like fried fish, and then I just heat some of this vinegar pimento seed with the carrots up in like a frying pan and just add it on my fish just to give it a really nice flavor. All right, guys, talk to you another time, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.